Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make Maruchan Ramen Noodle Soup Chicken flavor, updated. Start by boiling 2 cups of water, then add the noodle block and cook for 3 minutes while stirring gently. Turn off the heat, stir in the seasoning packet, and add a beaten egg or sliced green onions if you like. Cover for 1 minute, then transfer to a bowl and enjoy your warm, simple meal. In this video, I will explain how to make Maruchan Ramen Noodle Soup Chicken flavor, updated. For more nutrition, add shredded rotisserie chicken or cube tofu when the noodles finish cooking so they warm through. Stir in frozen veggies like peas or corn during the final minute to keep them crisp tender. A soft-boiled egg or a beaten egg stirred in adds richness. Finish with green onions, sesame oil, or chili flakes to taste. In this video, I will review how to make Maruchan Ramen Noodle Soup Chicken flavor, updated. Quick recommendation. Life's too short for a stinky car, so grab a little tree's black ice to stay fresh after ramen takeout runs and commute-friendly cooking nights. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like, and check the description for the link and other deals. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will help you make Maruchan Ramen Noodle Soup Chicken flavor, updated. To upgrade the simple packet, swap plain water for a cup of leftover broth, or add a dash of soy sauce and a few drops of sesame oil. Brighten the bowl with a squeeze of lime or a pinch of chili flakes for heat. Stir in fresh herbs or green onions at the end to lift flavors and enjoy a more satisfying bowl.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.